Alan found a homeowner that really takes this something for nothing very seriously.
You picked a great day.
I promised it was warm and sunny when I called. It's a few weeks ago, but oh, I love this thing, Kendra. You got to tell me the whole story.
Well, I couldn't find a piece of furniture that fit in the area, so I was bargain hunting at a garage sale.
Okay.
And I found a credenza, you know, chest kind of thing for 20 bucks at a garage sale. It was stained black. It was, you know, filing cabinet,
Right.
doors and everything. And I wanted something that was long that would fit in this area. And my husband looked at it and said, "You're going to do what with that?"
So what, this was a knee space then? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, this had doors on it.
Okay.
And we took out the doors and still, you know, filing cabinets there, and sanded it down, stripped it. It took a lot of stripping and a lot of sanding because it was black. I mean, it was almost pitch black.
If it was black and you got it to look like this now, this is great. And I love the fact that you paired it then with an old window that you, what was, now this was two different windows, or was it the top sash
That
and
was
bottom?
the top and the bottom sash, and it was, this is actually the outside side.
Right.
And so we had to kind of put the glass in there because there was no really place to put it on the inside.
So grand total, what'd you spend on both pieces?
Probably everything put together, about $150, with the wine thing being
Right.
the absolute most expensive piece because it was bought brand new.
But the best part about it is?
And the best part about it is I did it, I finished it, and it's a conversation piece every time somebody walks in the house. Like, where did you find that?